To add Uber driving income to TurboTax, start by logging into your account on the TurboTax website. Navigate to the Federal section and click on the Wages and Income option. Scroll down to the Self-Employed section and click the Start button. You will then be shown your employed work, and you can add another line of work by clicking the corresponding button to include your Uber driving income. Enter the name of your work, such as Uber driver, and select yourself as the person who did this work. Click Continue and answer the subsequent questions, including whether you work as a driver and whether this is a main source of income, side job, or business. You will also be asked if you started or stopped driving in 2024, and you should select the option that applies to your situation. Additionally, you will be asked if you made payments for your Uber driving work, such as paying a contractor $600 or more, which would require sending a 1099 form. Respond to these questions accordingly and click Continue. You may be asked if you have sent 1099 forms to contractors or employers, and if you have an employer ID number. The next step involves selecting if any less common situations apply to you, such as not actively participating in the operation of the business or being subject to Department of Transportation hours of service limits. If none of these situations apply, select the corresponding option and click Continue. Your Uber driving details will then be added, and you can click the Looks Good option to proceed. You may also have the opportunity to add additional information, such as 1099 NEC or 1099K forms. If you have expenses related to your Uber driving, you will be asked to upgrade to TurboTax Premium to claim more deductions. However, if you do not have any expenses, you can simply click Yes, I don't have expenses to complete the process. Your Uber driving work will then be added to your TurboTax account.